Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
Engine D260 is a representative of a series of diesel engines MMZ. This is a 6-cylinder motor with an inline arrangement of cylinders. The engine was installed on tractors, trucks, agricultural and special equipment. Technical characteristics. Having high technical characteristics, the D260 power unit was ideal for installation on tractors and trucks. The main use of the engine was on tractors T150 and combines. In this case, it was necessary to equip additionally the power unit with water and oil radiator. Engine D260 on T150. Let's consider the main technical characteristics of the motor. Name characteristic type turbo diesel volume. 12 liters configuration. Parameter inline 6 number of cylinders 6 number of valves 12 compression ratio 16 cylinder diameter 110 mm power from 209 horsepower. Cooling liquid cooling resource 500,000 km fuel diesel fuel parameter name 260.4-327 starter SATSmiley 24V generator SATSmiley 28V turbocharger TKR7 K27-61-05 pneumocompressor A29.05 000B A29.05 000BZA gear pump 10ZH3-04 Alfuel pump 260-1111000G 363.1111005 04 front support, no rear plate, 260-1002313 flywheel crankcase, no clutch crankcase, no maintenance and oil change. The D260 engine has no significant differences from its younger brother's 240 to 245 models. The engine is serviced every 20 to 25,000 kilometers. The main elements of the Engine D260 scheduled maintenance of the internal combustion engine is a set of operations aimed at preserving the primary condition of units and parts of the unit. According to the manual on repair and operation of the D-series engine made by the manufacturer, let's consider what operations are included in the maintenance of the 260th: oil change, adjustment of the valve mechanism, replacement of filters. So, depending on the modification of the motor, there may or may not be the following filter elements: fine and coarse oil filter, filter element for coarse and fine fuel purification, air filter, eco filter for the exhaust, cleaning the injectors, adjustments related to the high-pressure fuel pump, other operations aimed at maintenance of the power unit. Servicing the high-pressure fuel pump is a separate set of operations, which can be done qualitatively only by diesel engine fuel. Equipment repair specialists. Oil change. Oil and oil filter change is carried out quite characteristically for all models of MMZ power units with D marking. The process itself is not particularly different from other diesel engines. Let's consider the main aspects of maintenance. General view of the Engine D260. Unscrew the drain plug on the crankcase sump. Do not forget to install a container, where the liquid will be drained. After the oil has escaped, it is necessary to screw the drain plug. We change the fine and coarse oil cleaning filter. Pour in new engine lubricating fluid. After warming up, it is necessary to check the level of lubricant in the engine. If necessary, pour in the missing amount. Features of inline and overhaul. Repair of the D260 engine is a whole set of operations to restore the performance of the motor, which is not recommended to do with your own hands. So, it is worth contacting professionals who will be able to correctly diagnose faults and wear, as well as what internal element needs to be replaced. Engine D260. After overhaul, let's consider the basic set of operations, which is carried out for the D260 engine to overhaul the motor. Superficial diagnostics of malfunctions is carried out by ear. The motorist determines the presence of extraneous noises, as well as the preliminary location. Features of inline and overhaul repair of the D260 engine is a whole set of operations to restore the performance of the motor, which is not recommended to do with your own hands. So, it is worth contacting professionals who will be able to correctly diagnose faults and wear, as well as what internal element needs to be replaced. Measurements of the cylinders and crankshaft. Determining the repair number, as well as ordering spare parts. As practice shows, in most cases, in order not to bore the cylinders of the engine, the block is lined. This option allows, and in the case of subsequent repairs, to bore not the block, but the liners, which when worn can be removed and inserted new. Features of inline and overhaul repair of the D260 engine is a whole set of operations to restore the performance of the motor, which is not recommended to do with your own hands. So, it is worth contacting professionals who will be able to correctly diagnose faults and wear, as well as what internal element needs to be replaced. Assembly of the power unit. High-pressure fuel pump from the Engine D260. A separate parameter is the restoration of the fuel pump. As practice shows, the master repairs only the plunger pair, which wears out most often. As for inline repair operations, every owner of a car with a D260 engine has enough skills and knowledge to restore his engine on his own. The main thing is that the hand grew from the right place. The most common problems include failure of the starter and generator, water pump failure, replacement of drive belts, adjustment of the valve train, oil replacement, replacement of engine filters. Inline repair of the D260 motor. Repair instructions for each unit are available on the internet, or you can use the factory books, which are available in the public domain. Conclusion. The D260 engine is widely used on tractors and combines. Maintenance of the power unit is carried out quite simply, but overhaul, it is worth carrying out in the conditions of the service station, since special equipment will be required. T150 tractor D260 motor design. D260 motor repaired. D260 fuel injector. D260 motor in the process of repair. Replacement of drive belts. Water pump failure. In conclusion, the Engine D260 stands out as a remarkable piece of engineering, offering a blend of power, efficiency, and reliability. Its innovative design and advanced technology make it suitable for a variety of applications, ensuring optimal performance in demanding conditions. As we continue to explore the capabilities of the D260, it is clear that this engine is not just a tool, but a vital component that drives progress in the industry. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained valuable insights into the Engine D260.